Ukraine war latest. Unmanned Ukrainian boat destroyed near Crimea. Russia risks dividing its forces. India launches rocket towards the sun after successful moon lander mission. The spacecraft, which will study the sun's atmosphere, was launched on the PSLV rocket from Sriharikota on the eastern coast of India on Saturday. Billie Eilish helped through Irish festival set after telling fans she was really sick. The singer asked her 110 million Instagram followers to keep in mind that I am trying my best and to go hard for me. Jimmy Buffett. Sir Elton John leads tributes after singer-songwriter and billionaire businessman dies. Buffett was catapulted to fame in 1977 with the hit Margaritaville, which led to a lucrative sideline of shops, restaurants, resorts, and a radio station.
Welcome to our guide on how to create a YouTube news channel using AI. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to produce news content with the help of AI tools like Leonardo AI, Google News, 11 Lab, Hagen, YouTube Library, and CapCut. Hi, I'm your host and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey of creating an AI-powered news channel on YouTube. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your news anchor with Leonardo AI. The first step is to create a virtual news anchor. We'll use Leonardo AI to generate a lifelike news anchor image. This AI tool can help you create an engaging visual presence for your news channel. Step 2. Gathering news from Google News. Now, let's gather news content. Go to Google News to find the latest and most relevant news articles for your channel. Select news topics that resonate with your audience and align with your channel's focus. Step 3. Converting news text with 11 Lab. Next, we'll transform the text-based news articles into voice using 11 Lab's AI text-to-speech technology. This will provide an engaging and professional narration for your news reports.
Killed 18 people, mostly Iranian pilgrims, north of the Iraqi capital Baghdad, Met-INA said, citing Khaled.
Step 4. Creating news videos with Hagen. Now, it's time to turn the audio into video. Hagen offers templates for news presentations that make it easy to create professional-looking news segments. You can also add the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI or can choose from Hagen. Simply import your voiceover and customize the visuals to match your channel's branding. Step 5. Adding news music from YouTube Library. To enhance the viewer's experience, you can add background music to your news videos. Visit YouTube Library to find a suitable track. Make sure to choose music that complements your news style. Step 6. Pixabay for intro video. Now we will use Pixabay for news intro. You can download royalty-free video for intro. Select the one video you like the most and download it. Step 7. Editing and subtitling with CapCut. Finally, we'll use CapCut for video editing and adding subtitles. You can cut, trim, and polish your news segment, ensuring it's engaging and easy to follow. Don't forget to include subtitles for accessibility. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube news channel with AI. With the help of tools like Leonardo AI, Google News, 11 Lab, Hagen, YouTube Library, and CapCut, you can produce professional news content that captivates your audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on AI and content creation. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy reporting!